New this morning, the Florida Supreme Court rejected arguments aimed at sparing the life of a man known as the Ninja Killer.
Louis Gaskin murdered a Flagler County couple more than 3 decades ago and tried to kill a second couple that very same night. News4JAX reporter Bree Isom is live this morning, and Bree, Gaskin's execution is set for next week.
It is, and Gaskin's attorney did argue that Gaskin's history of mental illness and an abusive childhood should keep him off of death row. But that was rejected, and he is scheduled to die by lethal injection on Wednesday. Now, Gaskin was convicted in the 1989 murders of Robert and Georgette Sturfels. He shot the couple during a break-in where he took lamps, a video cassette recorder, cash, and jewelry. The items were found at his home, and investigators say he planned to give them to his girlfriend as Christmas presents. He was dubbed as the Ninja Killer because he wore all black ninja clothing during the crime. Governor DeSantis signed his death warrant last month, and the Florida Conference of Catholic Bishops sent a letter to the governor asking him to halt Gaskin's execution. Michael Sheedy, the conference's executive director, wrote, "Gaskin's violent actions and tragically ended the lives of this married couple and have caused immense suffering to the victims' families, loved ones, and communities. However, taking the life of Mr. Gaskin will not restore the victims' lives." The letter said, rather, premeditated state-sanctioned killing disrespects the sacredness of all human life and perpetuates the cycle of violence and vengeance. Now, all those letters, again, were rejected by the Supreme Court. Gaskin will be the second Florida inmate to be executed in less than 2 months. If you remember back in February, we talked about Gary Ray Bowles. He was put to, we talked about one in February, and also back in 2019, Gary Ray Bowles was put to death as well. I'm reporting live in Jacksonville. Bree Isom, Channel 4, the local station.